Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Three missing constables were allegedly found at Hinopes River lapha ku N1 eCenturion. Lamaphoyisa lamathathu anyamalele last week kani bekubafathi lababili kanye nendoda leyi-1 Constable Qebekhulu, Constable Giyabetswe no Constable Boyipilo. They were traveling in a white VW Polo ayisedam from Bloemfontein kanti balibangise laphana ku-deployment yabo eLimpopo when they went missing. Bagqine kubonakala lapha egarage bathela ipetrol and kwabagqina kwabo kubabona their phones were off, imoto ingatrackeki, and people started getting worried ngemva kokuthi ku-announce endzabeni kokuthi kulahleke amaphoyisa lamathathu. Bathuka abantu ngendlela lesimanga thinking ukuthi if ukhona kukidnapwa amaphoyisa nyamalale asiyini thina singasiwo amaphoyisa. Yes, we know ukuthi babantu nabo, but the fact that kunemuntu ubantu rather laba decide ko kidnapper amaphoyisa, you guys, that's wild. So their bodies were recovered today lapha ku N1 eHinopes. It's Hinopes edamini lapha. So bathole imitimba leyi-2 kushoda mtimba wemuntu loyi-1. So they are still searching for the missing constable. So balabaningi bathu ngendlela lesimanga, ngendlela ukuthi some even think ukuthi this is not true, this did not happen, these are fake news, but they are not fake news, guys. Ngokubona kwami mina vele bantu labaningi basebanema-assumptions babona ukuthi it seems like ngeke batholakale baphila, as much as kubuhlungu ngisho nasemndenini ngisho nasebantwini bantu bathukile bashaqekile, but guys bekubonakala nje ukuthi lana kukhona sandla semfene, khona lokushaya amande. People started getting nervous nangalesikhathi sekhipha ngisho reward at 350k kokuthi bantu labane information they must come forward. People started noticing and seeing how serious this thing was. Ngaze khishwa imali kuthiwe reward, guys, cha kusuke sekushube ngempela. So kubuhlungu kakhulu indaba lethu buhlungu, because nemindeni yabo beyisho ukuthi ayithukile each and every day ilanga malidlula i-hope iyehla because badibuta ukuthi bakuphi. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.